Oh, whoa. Wow. I think he pecked onto me there a little. All the animals on Life in the Wild, birds are the hardest to film. They're either too far away or fly away before I can get a good shot. And while I have managed to get some nice up-close trail camera footage, up-close and personal is better. Well, my mom's friend Miss Tracy, who has a yard home to quite a few chickens, several ducks, and a dog, and a tortoise, well, we just had to come down. We already featured Alice the pug and Boris the tortoise in the last episode, Welcome to the Farm. This episode was going to be all about the ducks and chickens.
On.
You can just kind of film from there.
Okay.
So in the last episode, we kind of introduced all the animals here, so now we're going to start with the chickens/ducks in here.
Okay.
We have the two Rhode Island Reds over there. These ducks over here look like 3 white chickens. They're all female, except every animal in this thing is female except for that one.
And Bob, right?
No, I think Bob. Maybe. Okay, I think Bob too.
I think maybe Bob too.
Okay, so let's see. So, mention that the big duck over there is not like Alice the pug. Still keeping an eye on her. Now, if we come over here, anyone here just seems kind of inclined, if they don't know me very well, to kind of just.
Sure.
The one right here, this guy could be a bit of a nuisance from time to time. So, I'm going to leave him where he is.
I like the little
I'm
pond.
going to go over with the ducks. I have not done a whole lot of ducks before. So you can hear them, they're making, it's kind of their, stay away from me.
Hey guys.
Saying, stay away from me, stay away from me. Stay away from, whoa! They seem to be, oh, they could get over. Okay, so I'm going to continue
here,
to
she's got some people.
start our relationship. Let's see.
So just put a little bit in your hand. Take it up. There you go.
What do you need? What do you have to say? That's what I want to do. Oh, Rhode Island Reds, there. Have none of it. Oh, hold on, we got other people around. The feet. You can scrap it out over that. You guys can scrap it all. You want some of these guys? Oh! Whoa! Wow. I think he pecked onto me there a little. Oh.
It's the risk, right?
Oh, yep. Totally just got another finger there. That actually feels cool, actually.
Does it?
Oh, let's see if I can. Alice. It feels like. I'm trying to find. It feels like 2 very flat, very smooth branches going like this, almost. So I got for you guys. Oh, right, you're the mean one. I'll stick them.
There you go.
Looks like they have
Oh, cool.
some kind of ledging. Nice
Yeah.
looking. I cannot
Very cool.
intrude upon their home by going inside.
Very cool.
Looks like the water they have a little.
Yeah, isn't their little pond nice?
Yeah, so with a little drip, steady drip. They're still scrapping over the final food over there. See? Kind of letting me know that it's down. See, he's looking at my hand saying, an inch closer. I feel he's 1 inch closer. Like that. So, how long would the ducks and the chickens as an average lifespan? Oh, there's a fight going on.
Well, that's not actually a fight. That's love.
So
yeah, hi.
how long would the ducks be living on average? Would you guess?
I want to say 10.
Yeah, and chickens?
Chickens. I think I heard 6 to 8, but 10 is 9.
Yeah, that makes a number.
So I think I think a lot of it depends on their living situation. Like, you know, and these guys are pretty well taken care of and they got a pretty cushy life.
They really do.
They do.
So yeah. Except for, you know, Louis and his antics.
And poor little.
And for RuPaul. Yeah. So she gets beat up so at the back of her neck by Louis and by
Yeah,
by that
Louis
as well.
apparently trying to feel.
I know.
Louis a problem.
Okay, so
But that's why I moved Peck and the babies in there.
yeah,
Because
They wouldn't
Louis
be at
would
risk.
probably try to eat them or
something else of
he'd probably try to eat them or kill them or
horrible
something. Yeah.
gruesomeness.
Yeah.
So
Because I think the chickens would be fine with them. But it's because of Louis. Same thing as if I get more chicks, I'll wait till they're quite large before I move them in. And so we have so we've sort of staging, right? So they could be born here, moved into there, so they've got some space, but they're safe and they can run around in there. And then if we've still got them, when they're a little bit bigger, they'll move in here and I'll just close that front door.
Stay tuned for the final segment of this trip to Miss Tracy's farm when we look up close and personal with Bubbles and Puddles, the duckling.